Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows Update KB5015814 not installing on Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot setting, click on open it guys. Click on other troubleshooters and select the Windows Update troubleshoot to run. Kindly follow the instruction and wait for it until this done. After finishing this process, you just need to close out of here everything and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem resolved. But if you're still having a problem after restarting, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that, go to search menu and type notepad. Click on open it guys. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to copy it guys. Copy and paste it in, and after pasting it, click on file, click on save as. I'm gonna save with desktop. You just need to name it as fix, then you just need to name as bat.bat, fix.bat. This is important guys, .bat. Click on the drop down save as type to all files and select save. After doing it, close out of here and right click on the desktop and select refresh and open the bat file. Right click on it and select run as administrator and select as. And so this will take lots of time to finish it guys. We just need to wait for it, and after finishing this, you just need to close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem resolved. But if you still having a problem after doing this, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that, I'm going with the next solution. Go to Google Chrome, open up Google Chrome and go to search in here and type Windows 11 installation, INSTALL installation assistant. Click on it. Click the first option, download Windows 11. You just need to scroll down. Click on the Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download it. After getting downloaded, click on show in folders and you just want to install it guys. You just want to install the Windows 11 installation assistant. Double click on it and click yes and install it. This device is already running the latest version of Windows 11. You just need to close out of here and you just need to back to the website we just visited. You just need to scroll down and download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. You just need to select the drop down to Windows 11 multi edition ISO for 64 device. Click on download option, click on download it, and this will ask you to for language. Click on your language and select confirm, and this will ask you for 64-bit download guys. Click on download. So this will take lots of time to download it guys. This file is 5 GB. Click on in downloads, 5.4 GB. Wait for it until this done. You just need to, after finishing this, just need to extract the folder in this folder. After extracting it, you just need to run the setup file guys. There will be a setup file. You just want to run it and install it guys. Wait for it until the installation done. After, it will automatically restart guys. Kindly wait and finish the process and your problem resolved. Follow my instruction and your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.